We are told we have a totally full cylindrical bin of ice cream, and the bin has a height of 24 inches and a diameter of 12 inches. Then we're told that we have a semi-sphere, two semi-spheres, and each one has a radius of 2 inches. So two semi-spheres put together equal one whole sphere. We are given the diameter of our cylinder, and a diameter divided by 2 equals our radius. And I say that because the next thing they ask is they want to know the remaining volume in the cylinder if these two semi-spheres are taken out. So essentially we need to figure out the volume of the cylinder, and we need to figure out the volume of the sphere, and then subtract the sphere from the cylinder. Cylinder minus sphere. Okay, so we've got the volume of a cylinder and the volume of a sphere. And for right now, we'll cover this part up. All right, so pi times the radius squared times height is the volume of the cylinder. So I have plugged in our radius, and I've plugged in our height. You can put this into the calculator. Looking at your answer choices and the fact that they have pi in them tells me that they don't want you to put all of this in and get an actual number. So what you'll need to do is say 6 squared times 24. And that should come out to be 864. And we didn't move pi, we didn't make it equal 3.14, we're just going to carry it down. So we've got 864 pi as our volume for our cylinder. Okay, similar thing with the sphere. They tell us the volume of a sphere, so that's 4/3 times pi times r to the 3rd power. They give us our radius, so we plug it in for r. And like for the last one, you're going to ignore the pi and then slap it on at the end. So 2 to the 3rd power times 4/3. And then in your calculator, the graphing calculator that's usually used, you can hit math, enter, enter to get this to turn back into a fraction. And so that'll be 32/3 pi. So now we're going to take the volume of the cylinder minus the volume of the sphere, and that's going to give us our final answer.